My name is Sham Balani. I had a lot of pain in my both the knees. With the process of EI in the fourth week, it has gone about 85% off, and I am able to walk very fast nowadays. My relations with my eldest brother has improved a lot, and it is very much loving as it is now. I have a very sound sleep. The quality of my sleep has improved a lot.
Hi, this is Ghanshyam Kodnani. I got introduced to this emotional insights through Professional Insights program. When I saw here what is the difference between the reaction and the response, that really made a huge difference in my life. And my way of being in my life when I move out made a huge difference in my relationship and of course in every aspect of life of me being. My professional life, my life in the family, my friends, my circle, my social network, because I'm always very active through this learning and this insight, and I would really recommend everyone, at least for this sake, come get a feel of what is an emotional insight. Thank you very much.
This is Srikanth here. My main breakthrough would be my relationship with what I have with my son. It's still a difficult and a challenging relationship which I have with my son. He's a teenager, going to be 18 in October, and he has his own life, which he says we should not regulate it. So as a parent, when we have been grown up in a very different circumstances, and our children are growing up in a very different environment. So for me, accepting that and living with that was a very challenging. I used to always be maybe a strict father at times, but now I've been trying to see his point of view and live from his point of side, and the relationship is improving. For me, that has been one major breakthrough for me.
Hi, I'm Ruby. I feel this has made a 360-degree turn in me as a person. As far as my relationships are concerned, I feel the turmoil and the mess was more with me than people outside. Whether be it my husband, my child, my parents, my siblings, my friends, my professional co-workers, it was not them, it was me. And the moment I began to clear my mess, the turmoils and all the angst, it all started falling in place. Today I see my most beautiful relationship in my husband. I feel the spectrum of love has really widened my horizon of seeing life as love. More than anything, love is portrayed in so many beautiful ways, and something I'm going to remember forever is the spectrum of love. I think it has deeply touched me. And what is the most amazing thing about this program is it has celebrated me being what I am. I've always been told that you're childlike. At 41, you are not 41, you're still 14, 20. Don't behave like this, don't do this, take a rational decision, be mature, grow up. I heard it all the time, and here it was, wow, you have to be like her. Be like her, be spontaneous. This is Ruby, spontaneity is Ruby. So I think this has been a blessing for me. I love celebrating this part about me being childlike, and I want to live in this energy as long as I can.
I'm Nafisa. It's like everything, all the unanswered questions that I had in my other programs and all, when I joined EI, everything fell into place for me. And it has changed me a lot as a person. And it has opened me up tremendously. I mean, even coming here and speaking about it in front of her, this is something which would be very difficult for me to do otherwise, and I'm doing it today. I'm very fond of writing, but I always felt that it is something that I cannot do. But while doing this program, I have also gotten in touch with that, and I feel that words flow more easily for me now when I write.
Hi, I'm Sunil. And I got introduced to the EI program through my wife. I came to the program with a lot of questions in my mind. However, as I started doing the program, I realized that EI has had a very profound impact on me. It has made me a much calmer person, and I am able to handle situations and occurrences in life much easier. The most important thing that the program has taught me is that the power is within you. You are the one who can bring the change.
My name is Kusum, and I've been doing EI, I think so maybe this is my 5th batch. the shift was, it was a beautiful shift. What I was finding is that normally I used to sing songs like जैसे हम लोग यहाँ से गाते हैं, but during the EI I found that it was coming from automatically, the song used to come, it used to just flow from my body, from within my body. And I was not, it was even in the sad mood, I was able to be with myself and sing songs of my liking. Not that I used to think of the songs and sing. It was within me, it was happening, and it used to flow from my body, So that was a beautiful thing which happened in EI.
Hi, I'm Minna Kaushik, and I got introduced to EI from a friend of mine. We used to discuss, and I had a lot of questions which she told me that she had done EI, and I would probably get my answers. And as I joined EI, I realized it had a very profound effect on me. There were a lot of issues or situations that I used to find difficult to deal with. But after doing EI, I have realized that a lot of things that happen around me happen because of me. It is not, and as I do the Kriya and I change, the situations around me are unfolding into things that are very comfortable for me and easy for me to deal with, do it. So I find life getting more comfortable on that front.
Jai Gurudev, Namaskar. I am Mehul Shah, Chartered Accountant by profession. In fact, I always felt that I am not an emotional person. And that's the reason I always felt that why do I need to do EI? That the kind of awareness that a person has to have within himself, which I was always lacking. And that awareness, to an extent, has been created by this course. Suddenly there is a paradigm shift in me, in teaching. Now the girls to whom I teach, they really enjoy my class. I don't know how, but it's all about the kind of awareness that I've got from this course and I'm able to deliver.
Hi, good evening. My name is Neeraj Ratan. I am a chartered shipbroker by profession. Due to my career and different other aspects, was going through a tough time with a lot of pressures on myself. Mainly, I realize now most of them self-inflicted. I was introduced to this course by my sister-in-law, who saw me going through the trouble phase that I was going through, and without telling me what the course was all about, suggested I started and attended the process. And I took her word for it because I am quite close to her and she was definitely thinking about my betterment. And I came across for the introduction meet, and in the first hour itself I somehow instinctively knew that I just had to do this, and maybe this was what I needed as a tonic to bring myself out of the phase I was going through and regenerate myself, and maybe try and see if I could change the whole outlook to my life, as I was getting quite bogged down. What I can say after these first 4-5 weeks is that I have already felt a very profound change in the way things have been unfolding. The process, the kriyas have been quite instructive in the sense that because of it I've come to control myself a lot, and given me more realization and insight into my own self. I have been able to stop reacting to situations which did cause me to have a lot of negative environment at my workplace, maybe even at my residence. Everybody around me did bear the brunt of my tempers and stuff. But with this course, I have now been able to stop reacting to situations, identifying the situation and maybe responding to it in a more mature and better way, which has led the environment which I am living in to be much more peaceful, calmer for myself, easier to get along with the people. People who earlier would keep away from me have started coming up to me, and we have had a better interaction professionally and otherwise. And another very recent thing that we really learned was during one of the courses, we were able to do one of the exercises which helped me identify one very pertinent point which I never ever expected. But being able to identify that one of the main problems with me was I was trying to always keep everybody happy around, meet up to the expectations, and I would keep maybe not living up to my own expectations and matching that, which was causing me a lot of distress and did cause a lot of discomfort. But I hope that that is one of the things that I would not be able to come, and my life should be a little bit more positive. I'm quite happy with this process so far, and we've got a fantastic set of instructors in Bhavin sir and Nazir sir. Good support from all the people. It was very comfortable to be amongst people who had similarly different issues and were all willing to experiment and go through this phase. It is definitely showing some kind of a positive response, and hopefully things should just get better in the future. Thank you.
Hello, I am Ghanshyam Daryani. I was having a chronic eye problem for last 10 to 12 years, which was not being resolved in spite of showing out to all the doctors. And they were telling me this is not an eye problem, and it is something else. And I was burdened how to get it resolved. Somehow it was not getting resolved. But during doing this program, somehow I observed that my problem is getting reduced and getting resolved. And by end of first cycle, it was reduced by 60 to 70%. And I am very happy and glad to say that after 3 cycles, it's completely over. I am really very happy about it. Second thing, I lost weight, 5 to 6 kg of weight without doing any effort. And I must say my relationship with wife has improved like anything. I am very happy about it. Thanks, CI.
Jai Gurudev. I am Bhavin Shah. In my life, by doing this particular program again and again, what we call emotional insights, and the methodology which we call Nirjara Kriya, a lot of dramatic turnarounds have happened in terms of my inner as well as outer life, mainly my outer life. A lot of people who were almost sucking my energy, who were bringing my energy levels down, a lot of people who were very unproductive in the fulfillment of my aspirations, they all got separated. They all automatically vanished from my life. For some reason or the other, that cleansing happened, and I started attracting all the right type of people. So my social circle in itself had a big change, wherein all those who were not productive for my life left me automatically, and all those who were perfect for my own growth, for my own fulfillment, started coming into my life. A lot of other changes also happened, wherein I could identify and see the manipulations around me. I could see and find out a lot of frauds in my own factory. They automatically surfaced, and again the wrong people went away. I also had a lot of achievements in the form of I myself edited 2 books, I myself wrote 1 book, and I launched 2 of those books, and I am going to launch 2 more books very soon. All this within a span of 1 year. And at the same time, in terms of taking this particular program itself ahead, we have conducted close to 11 batches now, formal or informal, in the last 1 year. So this program is also going great guns. Whatever work I do in terms of the web technologies as well as writing, everything is going very, very well. I am attracting the right people, I am attracting the right opportunities, and I cannot just believe in the power that this particular Nirjara Kriya offers. I heartily recommend this program to each and every person. Give it a shot and just see for yourself how all that we share or how all that we proclaim becomes a living reality in your own life. Jai Gurudev.